With the pandemic forcing more and more people to work from home, we decided to dig deeper into 12 work from home jobs that could be for you. More specifically, you'll take a look at how you could earn $1,500 or more per month from the convenience of your home. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sean with The Modest Wallet, where money is made simple. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and don't forget to click that little bell so that you get notifications every time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, we appreciate that.
Thank you.
If there's one thing that I've learned over these last couple months, it's that I really do like to work from home.
We could work from home.
For my day job, I still do report to a physical place, but over these last couple months, I've had the opportunity to work with some different companies from the convenience of my home. Companies save money when their employees don't report to a physical building. Let's take a look at 12 work from home jobs that you could get started with today. Our first work from home job is being a virtual assistant. You might be surprised, but being a virtual assistant is in high demand. Many virtual assistants work online from home and remotely manage a boss's schedule, inbox, and appointments, among other tasks. Many people just have too many tasks throughout the day, and it's cheaper for them to hire someone that can take care of those tasks from home. It's more cost effective than an in-the-building administrative assistant. Great organizational skills are a must with this job. There's a great course called the Jumpstart course for learning that could provide insight into everything you need to know about being a virtual assistant. You can also advertise yourself with Upwork or Flex Jobs. I'll leave a link in the description so that you can get started with your journey being a virtual assistant. Second on our list of working from home jobs is being a social media manager. Having a social media presence for really any modern business is an absolute necessity, and a lot of them do not have the time or skills to manage their social media accounts. This job lets you step into a role that's part marketing, communication, and part customer service. You name the social media platform and you'll probably be in charge of managing it. A graphic design background or a paid or pro Canva account would be very helpful with this job. With a little guidance and direction, being a social media manager may be the job for you. Next on our list is to become a freelance writer. Freelance writers offer quality written content to companies that need it. If you're passionate and know what you're doing when it comes to writing, then this may be the job for you. Reach out to your favorite blog, share your writing abilities, and you never know what could happen. There's an Earn More writing course that I will link in the description so that you can learn everything you need to know about being a freelance writer. Freelance writers can earn a very nice living, but it does depend on your skills and your background. Like I've already said, if you love writing, then this is definitely the work from home job for you. Another work from home job is to become a proofreader. While you may not make as much as you would writing, it actually combines very nicely with other editing and writing work from home jobs. All you need is a computer with an internet connection to get started. Writers for publications, blogs, you name it, there's a lot of written content out there that needs proofread before it goes public. There's a great course that I will link in the description called Proofread Anywhere. This course will help you perform the practical tasks involved with proofreading and really just how to run your small business that's involved around proofreading. The next work from home job is to become a graphic designer. Graphic designers help businesses produce visual content that can be used on blogs, media, different t-shirts, logos, websites, and much more. To work as a graphic designer, you'll need to know the ins and outs of popular graphic design tools. And if you're working on a freelance basis, you're probably going to need to pay for access to these programs. You can show off your skills with a portfolio, past work experience, or samples you send into the company. You don't need any qualifications to be a graphic designer, although many graphic designers do have undergraduate degrees or certificate level qualifications. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, graphic designers can make anywhere between just over $14 to more than over $41. That sounds like a pretty nice work from home job. Another work from home job is to become a web developer. Web developers will need to be proficient in the programming language they choose to work in. Although formal qualifications aren't always required, you will need some way to prove your abilities, and you can do that through testimonials, or showing your previous work. Some of the languages you'll need to learn as a web developer include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, PHP, Java, and Ruby, to name a few. Web developers write the code that is needed to turn a client's ideas into reality. According to Glassdoor and ZipRecruiter, the average salary for a web developer who does it as freelance is about $75,000 a year. Using sites like Upwork or Indeed are great ways for freelance web developers to get started. If you don't quite have the web development skills that you need but would like to learn, we'll leave a link in the description for 2 places that you can go to get them. Another work from home opportunity is to teach English online with VIP Kid. This is one of my favorite work from home opportunities that I've been able to do. And don't be scared away, this is not the English that you had back in high school. Teaching with VIP Kid lets qualified English speaking individuals teach English as a second language to Asian students across the globe. You do need teaching experience and you do need a degree to qualify, but this could be a great job that you can do on your mornings, your evenings, and your weekends. Individuals teaching with VIP Kid can make anywhere between $14 to $22 an hour depending on your qualifications. The next work from home job is starting a profitable blog. Starting a blog can be one of the best decisions you'll ever make. It's also a great way to earn money writing about topics you're already excited about. You simply need a computer with internet access and you'll need to invest a small amount per month for web hosting. And speaking of web hosting options, there's one that we really recommend, and that is HostGator. I'll leave a link in the description, and you also might want to consider an excellent course by Larry Ludwig called Full-Time Blogger to help you navigate the intricacies of starting and managing a blog. I will mention, if you have no idea how to start a blog, then signing up for that course is definitely worth it. Continuing with work from home jobs, our next one is online data entry. There are plenty of companies hiring people for data entry, which means it is a pretty easy way to get started making money from home. You generally don't need any qualifications to get into data entry, although you will need to be able to type quickly, stay organized, and use a computer. Data entry jobs can pay anywhere from a few dollars per hour to up to $15 per hour. So the pay isn't high, but there is often work available. Clickworker and Microworkers are companies that match data entry professionals to their different tasks. You could also approach companies to work with them directly. Transcription Jobs from home is next on the list. This includes taking an audio recording and typing out what the people in the recording say. People who work as transcribers need to be able to type and work quickly and have the ability to understand and write the language they are transcribing at a high level. There are plenty transcription opportunities available for people without experience through online platforms like TranscribeMe and AccuTran Global. Transcribers get paid by either hourly or per minute of audio. This means the faster you are at understanding what is said and then typing it, the more you get paid. And those with specialist backgrounds are going to get paid more. For example, medical or legal transcribers earn more than generalists. According to TranscribeMe, you can make between $15 and $22 per hour. Running Facebook ads for local businesses is our next work from home job. Businesses struggle to properly advertise on social media, and Facebook offers a powerful but poorly understood tool for most small and medium-sized businesses to advertise on. With a little education and a Facebook account, you can run the Facebook advertising accounts for many businesses. I'll leave a link in the description of a great course called Laptop Empire's Facebook Side Hustle course to really help you get started. Our last work from home job is to complete online surveys for cash. Taking online surveys is an easy way to make money from your home. There are plenty of platforms that you can sign up for that will offer you cash for completing their surveys. Just head on over to Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, Branded Surveys, or Swagbucks to get started right away. As you can probably expect, online survey takers are not going to make a ton of money. This is because the per hour rate is typically low and there just aren't enough surveys for you to complete. Most platforms just pay a few dollars per survey, but there are some surveys that do take longer and will pay more, especially if there's an interview involved. Online surveys could be a great way for you to at least test the waters working from home. Here's a quick recap of our 12 work from home jobs. I'd love to know if any of these are things that you already do or if you're interested in learning more about them. If you are, please leave a comment below and let us know what you're either interested in or what you currently do. I'll leave a link in the description as well to any of the companies that I mentioned so that you can easily access those websites or apps. As always, do your own research. We wanted this to be a resource for you to think about new ways that you could make money working from home. If you found value in this video, don't forget to smash that like button. That really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell so that you get notifications every time we release a new video. Also, don't forget to follow the Modest Wallet over on Instagram, and I'll see you over there.